this is you. It was me too, and it was everyone else. When, you know, we used to paint pictures on the wall as we were chimpanzees and caveman. But as we started to develop, we started to, you know, actually draw pictures and write in books and write on paper. And then we graduated, as we started to use rakes and sticks, we started to use Google Docs, Microsoft Word. And then we graduated to Notion. And Notion was a huge jump, because instead of just having a page limited doc that was just, there's no hyperlinks or nothing, it was just like this size, 8.5 by 11, new page. If you're lucky, you can get a page break. But Notion implemented a whole new thing where you could have, first of all, custom dashboards, and then secondarily is link all your notes together into one sort of thing, and then you can create like a Kanban board or a calendar, and built off of your notes. So you can really organize your notes rather than just having them in a mess here. And then what we got was whiteboards. And so the purpose of this entire series of me scaling my web and automations agency back to $10,000 a month is to keep you guys tapped in to whatever I'm doing, so that you have as much knowledge as I have. So everything that I'm discovering and I'm learning, I want to share with you. So it's not exactly whiteboards, obviously, that I want to share with you. What it actually is you can kind of go wherever you want and make. High Level also uses this in their automations. It's a whiteboard. You can go wherever. You can zoom in, zoom out. It's an endless whiteboard. Canva rolled one out. Figma was one of the first guys, I think, and they had this. So you can put so much stuff in it. It's free. Miro is what I currently use, and I'll show you my Miro one. Oh, I'm in my Miro already. Yeah, so actually you can see right here, this is my client dashboard that I've been using for clients. You know, I have this sort of timeline here, kickoff call, contract sign, so that I can show this to a client. And then I have each pillar, so the getting started branding information, the content for the website, and, you know, mock-ups of the website, and then automation. So this is very easy for clients to see. Clients are able to jump in here, add requests without creating an account. Miro is a really good option, but right now I'm kind of looking at moving over to ClickUp. Right now I'm kind of patching together my Notion and my Miro whiteboarding. So in my Notion right now, if I go to here, I click this button and it says new client. It starts this automation. It fills out all this automatically. Here's my closing script for sales. These templates for tasks. So I can click these and it'll auto-generate tasks for the client. Progress, their status, and their notes. But I imagine that's as equally as available on ClickUp as it is on Notion. But then what's different is I can actually link those tasks in my whiteboard. As I check things off in the whiteboard, they'll also get checked off in each client's. I'm not waiting for a whiteboarding feature in Notion. You know, you want to base your decisions and products that you're using off of what they are right now rather than what they can be. Some softwares move really fast, but other softwares just keep promising things in the future, and they keep promising. And they might be hard to build, but it's like, look, you know, after 2 years of me waiting for this feature, I'm not going to wait anymore, because you never know when they're actually going to get those products. So this is ClickUp, and clients can come in here without creating an account. That's the biggest thing, because you want to encourage clients to come in and use your new software, because no one wants to use new software. So you want to encourage that, but any resistance that they have with that, they'll immediately abandon it. And it's hard enough to get them just to fill out a form. You know, with ClickUp, you're able to just jump in the same way Miro without creating an account as a guest, and you can make edits to the whiteboard. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of keep you guys on the same page of this development that we're kind of seeing. You see me use this every day on Miro boards, on these videos. This whiteboarding is the future. It's better for teamwork. It's better for sprints, because everyone can have their own channel of what they're working on all at the same time. You don't have to click around to different apps. I really think it's the future of having everything in a single place. So you can see like stuff like here or here, where they have sticky notes, they have different people all working on different things. You can see their mouses, mice, all around teamworking. You know, there's different companies that have their own use cases, but Miro is really limited to just a whiteboard. So I just want to keep you guys updated. Short video today, just keep you updated on what I'm thinking, everything that I see going on in the industry, and new trends. And yeah, if you have any questions, just send me a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them on tomorrow's video. Cool, thanks.